Hey there, it's Kathy Howes with Be Creative with Kathy. I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent stamp, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Can you tell it's Monday? And I had one heck of a weekend. But anyway, today's gonna be a really quick video. I just wanted to show you a couple kits from Stampin' Up's kit collection. Now, Stampin' Up! Has this kit collection that you can only find online, so you can't see it in any catalog. You just go to StampinUp.com, or you can go to my blog, BeCreativeWithKathy.com, and that'll lead you to the Stampin' Up! Online store. You could go to kathyhouse.stampinup.net. That will take you to my online store. But anyway, you can find they're called the Kits Collection. So I don't know if it's contagious, but be careful because I have a thing for Stampin' Up! Kits. I do Paper Pumpkin every month. I have a subscription. It's just automatically delivered to my door. And several times when Stampin' Up! Comes out with a new kit, I can't help myself. I just buy it. I think that what I like about the kits is that it kind of, they're not usually my style, so it kind of takes me out of my comfort zone and it makes me more creative, or it's really interesting, I guess, to make items that aren't my style. I don't know how to explain it. But anyway, so this is one of them. I decided for my craft fair, which if you're watching, you know I have a bunch of stuff in my craft fair. I decided I need a few more gift card holders. Right, so I thought, ooh, I remembered I had this kit, and now let's see what it's called, because I don't remember what this kit is called, but I absolutely loved it. I was really pleasantly surprised. This one's called the Christmas Gifting Kit, and it's just a bunch of tags like this. Here, there's 3 different tags, 3 different styles. They look like this. But then the cool thing about them is when you put them all together, whatever, they have this, so you can put a gift card. Let me grab so you can see what I'm talking about here. I have a gift card here for my nephew's birthday. But anyway, so you can slip a gift card. Oh, maybe you can. Yeah, there you go. You can slip a gift card in there. And look how cute. And like I said, now I was pleasantly surprised that they were very good quality. Look how big they are to start off with. They're almost like a gift just in themselves. Now, I think what I would do, if I don't sell these, I'm kind of hoping at my craft fair I don't sell all of them, because I give all of my nieces and nephews a little bit of money at Christmas. And here, now, I would do something like this. I would go find a great big candy bar like this, and then I would attach that gift card holder with a gift card in it, and look how cute a gift that would be. Anyway, I was really, like I said, surprised with this kit. And even the tags are great with the gift card, but look at the stamp set, which I will use again and again. I'm going to get an envelope here so I can put it on white so you can see it. But look how cute the stamp set is. It says, from our house to yours, Merry Christmas, in really pretty font. It has a little something for a friend. I think that one here, I stamped that one here. Here's the Merry Christmas. You can see it better here. And then the, a little something for a friend, and the just for you. And for someone special, with love, and then, of course, the little to from back here. And I did really like the font on that one. So along with this kit, you get the little shaded spruce ink spot. You even get a block because it's all inclusive. That's what this kit is. And from the whole kit, this is what I have left over. I have a couple circles, and now I'm trying to figure out a way that I could use these cute little Christmas tree, these buck heads. Is that what you call those? The inside from this, you punch those out and you have all these little pieces. So I'll try to make some Christmas cards with that. But I was, like I said, with this kit, I was really, really pleased with how well the projects turned out. And again, I'll use that stamp set again and again and again. Okay, let's go to the other kit that I made this weekend. Let me put this one away and get this other one out. Now, this is a new one to Stampin' Up. Not the newest, they just came out with another one, and I can't remember the name of that one. In fact, I think right now I might be 2 kits behind. They are constantly coming out with more kits because their while supplies last. So if you see a kit on there that you like, don't wait, they might sell out. But this kit is called, let me try to find the paperwork for this one. This one's pretty big. I can't get that cardboard out of there. There we go. This one is called, oh, that's right. And I just lost my tape. This one's called the Birthday Card Organizer Kit. It looks like that's the instructions. And they all come with the step-by-step instructions. This one is a no stamping kit. But what I loved about this one is it came with this book. Now look, it's so big I can hardly get it. I can't even get it in the whole camera there. But it has places to put your cards. Now we'll come back to the book, because the cards that came in the kit, it came with the book, and let me see, I think it was 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, because I'm going to do a couple of the cards with you, just how I changed them up a little bit. But it comes with 12 cards, 6 each of 2 different designs. There, I got rid of that glare like that. Now, the one thing, I'll be honest with you, with Stampin' Up! Kits, I'm kind of a paper snob, and so I like the cardstock to be a little bit thicker. So what I did is I took the card base and I cut it down a little bit, and then I just took a 1/4 sheet of cardstock, Stampin' Up! Nice heavy cardstock, and mounted that to that. So let me show you what I'm talking about. These stickers here are part. Here's all the envelopes for the cards. So they come decorated and ready. I thought that was really nice. And then the card base. I think I've already done this card base. Yeah. Let me bring out the rest of the stuff and put the box away so I have room to work here. Okay. So this card base, I already took and put this piece here. Now this is just a die cut out of the kit. I don't think I have any more of those. I put them all together, And then I took this and cut it down to 4 inches by 5 1/4, and then it still opens like this. Then what I should have done is the adhesive that came with this kit was the tear and tape. Did you see it when I took it out? I can't find it now, so I'm going to just use some of my... I was going to use the adhesive, oh well, from the kit, but I'm going to just use some of my Stampin' Seal Plus because it's a really strong adhesive, and put this on all 4 sides because I don't want it to come off. I want it to be nice and sturdy. And then I have a 1/4 sheet, like I said, of just basic black cardstock, and I'm going to take that and put that in the center, and now you have a nice high quality card like that. Yeah. Then there's die cuts in the kit. Now there's these triangles that we'll use on the second card, like this. But these 3 little, or I guess 2 flowers and 2 leaves, so there's actually 4 cutouts here that you just punch them out like that. They're going to go on the front of our card. So I'm going to do and show you a little trick here. I'm going to take the backs of these, well, really the back of this one to start with. And there was dimensionals in the kit. And like I said, I put it all away. I can't find any of it anymore. Does it still? It's not in the box. It's not on my table here. Oh, well. Isn't that funny? Do you see it anywhere? I've totally misplaced it. It was right there when I took it all out of the box, and now I can't find it. Oh, well, let me grab some other dimensionals from... There they are. Look. Right under my nose. Here they are. Here's the dimensionals. Oops. There's also some glue dots in there, but I just use my tape run. I think it's just a little bit faster. So on my flower here, though, I'm going to put 4 dimensionals, 3 around the edge and 1 right in the middle. And then I'm only going to take that middle one off of the backing, that is. The dimensionals are still on there, and lay that on my card about where I want it. I think it looks good there. And then this isn't quite held down, but you can see where you want it. And then with these pieces here, just a little bit of Stampin' Seal on the back. That one's empty. We're going to use the Stampin' Seal Plus. Oh my. But then I can just lift up those edges and tuck those other little pieces where I want them underneath. Now take those backs off of those dimensionals, and then you stick it down, and it's going to hold on there nicely, and everything's placed exactly where you want it. That's what I was trying to get to. Then the kit also comes with these stickers, and they're in all different languages, but I'm going to just take this It's Your Day here and put that right down here just kind of slip it under that leaf. I kind of liked it a little bit under the leaf there. Try to get it straight. And look how pretty all those cards are. Then with just a little bit of bling here, also in the kit, put some I was like, it didn't stick to, oh, yep, there it is. Couldn't see it for a second there. Oh, you know what? That's because the glue dot stayed on the plastic. There we go. Let's see if we can get the glue dot with this one. It's a lot easier when the glue dot comes off with the bling, huh? But these are just iridescent sequins that are really pretty. And then let's put a fifth one right here. And then there you go. So there's one of the cards, which I thought was really pretty. And I would definitely send out for a birthday card. And then the next one, let me show you what I did with this one. I took the card base like this. I'm going to fold it in half. And then we need to cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4. So I'm going to bring in my paper trimmer. The first thing I'm going to do is, this is the fold here. Now I don't want to cut the fold off. I want to keep the fold there. So I'm going to put the fold at the 4-inch line and just slice off those 2 ends there. And then, because this is polka dot and it doesn't have to be centered, I'm going to just take it here at 5 1/4 and cut off a 1/4 this way, just like I did on the other one. And then I'm going to take some strong adhesive and I'm going to add this to a 1/4 piece of cardstock that's like a little bit heavier, that nice heavy Stampin' Up! Cardstock. Oh, and you know what? I got ahead of myself. Shoot. Hang on. Let me grab my silicone mat here. Because what I should have done, that's why I didn't cut it. I wanted to show you that part, darn it, is I need to put these pieces on there first. So I put it on my silicone mat now because I have adhesive on the back. And that way it won't stick to my work surface. It'll stick a little bit to that silicone mat, but I won't have any trouble getting it off. So I'm going to put this here now, which I should have done, like I said, before I cut it. I'm going to line up this corner, but now I can just trim it down to match the card and it won't be a big deal. Down here, and then attach this piece in this corner here. There. Now I would normally trim it down with my paper trimmer, but I'll just use my scissors. Turn this over and trim off those little corners like this. There we go. Now I can lay this onto my 1/4 sheet of cardstock. And I have a really nice sturdy card there that now opens this way. Then with another sticker like this that says happiest birthdays in a couple other languages we don't need. And I'm going to lay that right there. Again, I'm going to put some those iridescent sequins or some bling on there. Right there. And maybe right there. And then let's do a few over here. Didn't stick. There we go. 1 and 2 and 3. And look how pretty that card is. Totally not my style. This card is a little bit more my style, but this one is totally not my style, but yet I absolutely love it. Okay, so that's the cards now. So now I would have 12 cards to put in my book for the birthdays coming up. Let me show you the book now. The book looks like this. Like I said, it's so big I can't even fit the whole thing into my screen here, but it comes with stickers that look like this, and then you open it up. Now here's a pocket here, so you can put all your cards in there. You would take the first month, and I'm going to just take my sticker here and put January right there. Now, my mother's birthday was January 14th, so I could write her name here. I have a good friend that her birthday is January 8th. I would write Lori right there. But all the birthday cards that I want to send out in January, I could write their names down here, and then I could put the cards in the little pocket as I made them. So there's one for every month. Next one's going to be February. Take this one and put that down. I would write my sister-in-law, Marianne, right there on the 22nd. And then we go to March. And now this is sad because in March, off the top of my head, and don't hate me, but I can't think of anybody's birthday. But I'm sure that I have somebody in March that I could send cards out. But this book is, like I said, really big, very sturdy because of the ring bindings in the center here. But look how cute that book is for your, and then there's another pocket in the back to put some more cards in. But that's another one of Stampin' Up's kits that I did this weekend that I was very, very happy with. I thought this one turned out really nice too. And this one, like I said, was no stamping. It's all inclusive, but it has stickers rather than a stamp set and a block. All right, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a great Monday and a great week. Not to mention later, happy Thanksgiving. And I'll hopefully see you back next week, Monday, about 1:30. See you then. Bye-bye.